Do you know what mental illnesses are? Everything you need to know. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this space, we talk about motivation, personal development, and mental health. Today, I want to discuss a topic that, although often overlooked, is essential for living a fulfilling life: mental illnesses. It's not just about invisible problems. These are real disorders that affect millions of people around the world. In this video, we will talk about what they are, what causes them, which are the most common, how they can be treated, and most importantly, how we can prevent them. Mental illnesses are disorders that affect a person's mood, thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. They can interfere with the ability to live a normal life, affecting how someone feels about themselves, others, and how they handle everyday situations. Some of the most common mental illnesses include anxiety, depression, obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, schizophrenia, and eating disorders. Although these are complex conditions, the most important thing to understand is that they are not caused by weakness or lack of effort, but rather by a combination of biological, genetic, and environmental factors. Now, it's important to understand that mental illnesses don't have just one cause. They are the result of a combination of factors. These can include 1. Biological factors. Some mental disorders have a genetic component. If someone in your family has suffered from mental illnesses, there may be a higher risk. 2. Brain chemistry. Imbalances in certain neurotransmitters, chemical substances in the brain, can trigger illnesses like depression or anxiety. 3. Psychological and emotional factors. Chronic stress, traumatic experiences, or emotional difficulties can contribute to the development of mental illnesses. 4. Environmental factors. Stressful life situations, such as family, work, or social problems, can also increase the risk. 5. Lifestyle. Lack of sleep, an unhealthy diet, excessive alcohol or drug consumption, or lack of exercise can negatively affect mental health. There are many mental illnesses, but some are more common than others. Here are the most well-known ones and their main characteristics. 1. Anxiety. Characterized by excessive fears or worries that affect daily life. People with anxiety may experience palpitations, sweating, or dizziness. 2. Depression. It's much more than feeling sad. People with depression experience a constant sense of emptiness, lack of motivation, and in severe cases, may have suicidal thoughts. 3. Obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD. People with OCD have repetitive thoughts and perform rituals or behaviors to relieve the anxiety caused by those thoughts. 4. Schizophrenia. This is a severe mental disorder that affects the perception of reality, causing hallucinations and delusions. 5. Eating disorders. Conditions like anorexia or bulimia are mental illnesses related to extreme control over food and a distorted view of the body. Although mental illnesses are complex, it is entirely possible to treat them and lead a healthy, balanced life. The most common treatments include 1. Psychological therapy. Talking to a psychologist or therapist can help identify and change thought patterns that fuel the disorder. Some popular therapies are cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and exposure therapy. 2. Medications. In many cases, psychiatrists prescribe medications to balance neurotransmitters and improve mood or reduce anxiety symptoms. 3. Support groups. Joining support groups or sharing experiences with others facing the same issues can provide comfort and helpful strategies. 4. Healthy lifestyle. Maintaining a balanced diet, exercising, getting good sleep, and practicing mindfulness are essential for improving mental health. Prevention is key, and although we can't always prevent a mental illness from arising, there are measures we can take to reduce risks. 1. Stress management. Learning relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can reduce stress and prevent the development of emotional disorders. 2. Connecting with others. Maintaining healthy relationships and leaning on loved ones can help you cope with life's challenges. 3. Self-care. Prioritize your physical and emotional well-being. Eating well, exercising, getting enough rest, and seeking moments for yourself are crucial for mental health. 4. Seek help early. If you notice that you're feeling overwhelmed or that your emotions are affecting you more than usual, seeking professional help before the problems worsen is essential. Remember, mental health is just as important as physical health. If you ever feel trapped, overwhelmed, or alone, don't hesitate to seek help. Mental illnesses are treatable, and the first thing you need to do is recognize that asking for help is not a sign of weakness, but of courage. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more content on mental health and personal development. Take care of yourself and your well-being. See you in the next video.